Paint for garage doors matters more than most homeowners realize. It protects metal and wood from the elements, provides aesthetic curb appeal, and can simplify maintenance over a long service life. In this comparison, I test a range of products across price points and finish types to evaluate coverage, durability, odor, dry times, and ease of application.
Product number 1. Metal paint, 35 ounces, black paint for metal surfaces. This budget-friendly makeover direct-to-metal paint is formulated to inhibit rust and provide high-coverage, matte black finish suitable for outdoor metal applications, such as gates, railings, and outdoor furniture. The package clearly positions itself as a practical exterior metal paint with rust protection and non-toxic formulation, including gloves and a brush for ready-to-use application. The matte finish helps mask surface imperfections while offering durable, weather-resistant performance for metal surfaces that see sun, rain, and temperature swings. Performance-wise, the product emphasizes rust prevention at the source with direct-to-metal use and weather resistance. The high coverage claim suggests fewer coats are needed, which translates to faster projects and lower material waste. In practice, the quick-drying characteristic supports time-sensitive restoration tasks, such as touching up outdoor metalwork before seasonal weather shifts. The included components, brush, gloves, improve user experience for first-time DIYers, though long-term durability will depend on surface preparation and proper ventilation during cure. The 35-ounce size offers ample coverage for typical garage door hardware and nearby metal features at a reasonable price point.
Product number 2. Gianni Wood Look Paint Kit for Garage Doors, English Oak. The Gianni Wood Look Kit is a wood grain transformation system designed to mimic natural wood on metal or garage doors. The English Oak variant uses a satin finish and includes all necessary tools for a full garage door makeover. As a water-based acrylic system, it emphasizes low odor and safety alongside outdoor durability, with a stated coverage of up to 180 square feet. The dual-coat approach, base coat plus grain finish, enables a realistic wood grain appearance, making it ideal for homeowners seeking a high-end curb appeal without expensive real wood doors. In practice, the Wood Look system relies on a two-step application to achieve texture and color depth that reads as wood grain. The kit's durability is enhanced by water-based acrylic chemistry, which typically provides easier cleanup and lower odor compared to solvent-based systems. However, success hinges on technique. Proper tool use and a steady hand during the grain finish step are critical for convincing wood texture and uniform color. The English Oak variant is a versatile option for modern homes seeking authentic wood aesthetics on metal or steel doors. With reasonable cure times, full cure around 3 hours, and a robust accessory pack. Product number 3. Wood Look Paint Kit for Garage Doors, Black Walnut. This variant mirrors the English Oak kit's two-step process, but uses black walnut as the wood tone. It comes as a 32-ounce kit with base coat and green finish coats, plus the same accessory bundle as other Gianni Wood Look kits. The black walnut color provides a deeper, more classic wood tone that pairs with many home exteriors. The kit's performance is anchored in the same water-based acrylic base and 3-hour full cure time, with a satin wood green finish that delivers a premium look. Performance-wise, the black walnut kit emphasizes ease of application for a high-end result, but the grain finish requires some care to achieve depth and prevent blotchiness. The kit covers up to 180 square feet, which is suitable for standard single or multi-door configurations. For best results, follow the included steps meticulously and consider practicing on a scrap panel first. The kit's strength lies in its ability to convert a plain metal door into a durable, wood-like surface with convincing grain texture, especially for homeowners prioritizing aesthetics. Product number 4. Gianni Wood Look Paint Kit for Garage Doors, Royal Mahogany. The Royal Mahogany Wood Look Kit offers another warm wood tone option within the Gianni Wood Look family. It uses the same two-step approach, base coat and grain finish, within a satin finish, designed to mimic the appearance of dark, rich mahogany. The package includes the same accessory set as other Gianni kits and targets homeowners seeking a classic deep wood tone for a garage door. In use, Royal Mahogany delivers a sophisticated appearance with a deep wood grain impression. The satin finish helps maintain a balance between realistic wood texture and outdoor durability. As with other Gianni kits, performance depends on technique. The grain finish step benefits from even pressure and consistent motion to avoid blotches. This color option is particularly appealing for homes with warm color palettes and timber accents, but may be less forgiving on doors with weathered surfaces that have irregularities. Product number 5. New Door Restore. Restore Color. Rustin's New Door Restore is a color restoration product intended to revitalize faded exterior surfaces, including doors, shutters, and outdoor furniture. It targets surfaces like composite, UPVC, metal, and other common outdoor materials, delivering a weather-resistant barrier and color revival. It is not a full repaint, but rather a restoration and color refresh solution that can extend the life of a weathered surface without a full coating overhaul. Performance-wise, this product emphasizes restoration rather than color-changing capability. It's particularly useful for maintaining existing color on faded doors or shutters and provides a weather-resistant layer to slow further degradation. Its non-drip formula and compact 8.5-ounce size make it user-friendly for small touch-ups or maintenance on hardware accents, plastic, GRP, vinyl, and metal surfaces. However, for dramatic color changes or uniform door-spanning coverage, this product is not a substitute for a full paint system and may require multiple applications or a complementary base coat for full door transformation.